Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be showing you all what I picked up for Black Friday. Now today is Saturday, but these are the residuals of the Black Friday sale from my local mall. I did do some shopping online before Black Friday as well, and I'm waiting for those things to come in. I'm thinking that I'm going to do a baby haul once my daughter's clothes come in as well. If you want to see that, be sure to leave a comment down below. But today I did go out just browsing to see what kind of sales they had at my local mall. I stopped by a few different stores, but I ended up purchasing from Pandora, Victoria's Secret, Bath & Body Works, and Macy's. And so I'm going to be showing you all what I got and explaining what kind of deals they had. So if you're interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So the first bag that I'll start with is Victoria's Secret. I went into Victoria's Secret just to see what kind of sales they had. I wasn't looking for anything in particular, but I can let you know that the robes, like the big fuzzy robes that they normally have priced at like $50, were on sale today for 20, I believe, 20 or 25 at the most. So that's a great sale. I was gonna get a robe, but then I was like, I really don't need any more robes, to be honest. And I just didn't see one that just stuck out and made me want to buy it. So I decided to not get the robe, but I did see a gown that I decided to get. So this is the gown that I got. It's really, really pretty. It has BS on the back of the gown. And I just love the material. And it's just a really, really pretty gown. So it's like pink, and like I said, it's super, super soft. Trying to get up close so you all can see. Really pretty material. So that's what I got from Victoria's Secret. That was $20. I believe these are normally like $49 or $50 as well, but they were on sale for, yeah, normally they're $40, $39.95, but it was on sale for $20. So that's what I got there. Okay, and then the next bag I'm gonna move to is Pandora. So she put a Pandora magazine or catalog in so I can see what else they have, because I do plan to go back for some gifts. But I decided to get some earrings and a ring. I've been falling in love with their rings lately. They're so cute. I don't know. I normally just went into Pandora for bracelets and charms, but I've been moving on to the rings and the earrings. They just have really cute things. So I got this ring right here. This has like, it's like jeweled on one side and then plain on the other. And I got it for my middle finger. Simple, but really cute. So that's what I got there. And then I believe normally the ring was like $45, but I believe it was on sale. So I got a discount on the ring as well. And then I got the earrings. The earrings were originally, I believe, like $30. And then it was 30% off of that as well. So here are the rings, or the earrings. They are the like infinity earrings that I got. And I really cannot keep up with my earrings. I don't know what it is with me, but ever since I was little, it's been very hard for me to keep up with earrings. It's been, you know, sometimes it can be challenging for me to keep up with jewelry anyways. So I'm surprised that I've had this necklace this long, and I'm surprised that I've been able to keep this bracelet this long. Hey, baby. The necklace is from my grandmother, so I always wear it. And then my charms are from a lot of different family members and, you know, myself. So I keep that on too for sentimental value. But I really like the infinity earrings, and they were on sale, like I said, 30% off. So I decided to get those as well. So that's what I got from Pandora. And I'm gonna definitely check out their catalog to see what else they have. Moving right along, I went to Bath & Body Works. Now, Bath & Body Works had a lot of good sales, and particularly they had their body mist on sale for $4.95, so like $5. Normally they're $16.50. I didn't get too many of their mists just because I don't think they really stay too long, and I don't like constantly having to spray myself. So I've been using Juicy Couture for my fragrance, and I literally, it's like a roller ball, so I roll it on my neck and my wrist, and it pretty much lasts all day. I just have noticed, like I said, with the mist, they're fine to use, but they don't last all day. You'll have to reapply it in my experience. So I didn't want to get a lot of these just because I don't use them too often, but I did want to get at least one. So I got one. I got this. It smells really good. It's called Warm Vanilla Sugar. And because I like the scent so much, I also got this. It's moisturizing body wash, which I love because with their moisturizing body wash, you literally do get out the bath feeling moisturized. I have something in my eye. But you really do get out of the bath feeling moisturized. It smells good. It feels good when it goes on your body, and it's really moisturizing. When I first saw this, I didn't know if it was really going to be moisturizing or not. I'm like, you know, am I really going to feel this instant hydration? Like it says on the back, it says instant hydration, rich, creamy lather, amazing feeling fragrance. I'm like, is this really going to happen? And it does. I'm not, you know, just saying that. It feels really good when you use this type of soap from Bath and Body Works. Now, they do have different fragrances, so you can find out which one works best for you. But it also says on the back, clinically tested to moisture after one shower. So it does. It just makes your body feel really, really good. And this smells really good too. It does smell like warm vanilla sugar. It just gives you that. It's not too sweet, not too loud, just a really subtle, nice fragrance. So I like that. And then I also got a candle. Now they had their candles on sale for I believe $13.50, but I just got one candle as well. Candle smells really good. I got cinnamon caramel swirl. This is what it looks like. And then I also got some other candles from the home store. That's why I didn't get too many candles from Bath and Body Works, but this one smells a lot better than the ones I just picked up. Bless you, baby. But I did get the ones from the home store because they smelled good. Plus, they also went with my decor. I'm trying to get a lot better with decorating and, you know, finding pieces that match so that I can have this place look a lot more homey. So because the candles match with the theme that I'm going for, I just got them and they smell good. But yeah, this smells so good. Again, it's cinnamon caramel swirl. So if you like the kind of toasted caramel, warm type of smells and scents, you probably will like this. Again, they were on sale for $13.50 and normally they're like $25.50. So I also got this. This is gonna go in my purse. It's Christmas snowflakes and cashmere. This also smells really good. It's just like another warm scent. It's a little bit more sweet smelling. I don't want to say sweet. Yeah, probably. That's probably the word I'm looking for. It's a little bit more sweet than the other scents, but it still smells really good. I've normally carried the big things of lotion in my purse, but I'm gonna just start carrying the smaller hand size version and then using the other, like keeping the larger lotions in my bathroom. So that's what I got from Bath and Body Works. So the next store is Macy's. Now with Macy's, I did look at their coats. I was hoping that I found another coat that I liked, but I didn't get there on Black Friday, and the coat that caught my eye, they did not have my size. There were some other nice coats, but there is a particular style that I'm looking for. It's really hard for me to find coats that I really like, you know. I try to get a casual jacket or coat, and then I also try to get a coat that's really warm. So I'll get a coat that's like black typically with fur around the hood, and then one that's long that covers my legs, just so I can stay as warm as I can. And then I try to find one that's like more casual. That's why I really like that brown coat that I've been wearing for the past few years. And I got that coat from Macy's, but it's really hard to find like a coat that I really like. I've gotten some other odd and ends, you know, coats throughout the way, but those two coats are my primary coat. The brown one, like the more casual coat, and then also the winter coat, that the black one with the hood. If you've been watching my vlogs, then you probably know what I'm talking about, or any of my other videos. When I record, I typically wear one of those if it's cold outside. But yeah, I did look for the coats. I didn't see any coats. I did pick up these towels. I got these towels because they matched the bathroom. I'm doing black, white, and red for my bottom bathroom, or my downstairs bathroom. I don't know why I said bottom bathroom, but I know why I said it, but I just must be getting sleepy. But for my downstairs bathroom, I'm decorating that one for Christmas. I'm deciding that for my downstairs bathroom, I'm going to try to decorate that according to like whatever season or holiday we're in. And then my upstairs bathroom, I'm just going to decorate that however I feel. It doesn't have to necessarily be festive. And then my kids' bathroom, you know, they can have it how they want. Right now, it's just like a neutral gray color. So when they want to change it, you know, we can change it. But the downstairs bathroom is going to be the only like festive bathroom that I change out with each holiday and season. So I got these towels to match. They're like 2 towels and they say believe, and they have reindeer on them. And I got this on sale for $11.99. I don't know how much it was originally. No, originally it was $20. So it's like almost half off. And then I also got these boots. I was looking for some long, tall boots. I get long, tall black boots like almost every year, but I wanted some that were really, you know, of a decent quality. This is Sun and Stone. Got these from Macy's as well. The shoes were originally like $98, but they were on sale for $49.95. And this is what they look like. We're 9.5, and I tried the wide, 9.5 wide, and they fit perfectly. So I decided to just get them. They fit really good. They look good on. The heel is not too big. I do like the stretchy part in the back. I also like how far they go up my leg. They literally go over my knees, and they're just really pretty. They're really just, you know, kind of basic and, you know, just a casual boot. So I really like these. I'm glad that I got them on sale because like I said before, they were like $98. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So that wraps up what I picked up just now from the mall. I think I got some good deals. I didn't go too crazy, I don't think. I just, you know, picked up some things that I can use and that I thought were a good deal. So let me know in the comments what you picked up for Black Friday. I know my mom said she got a TV on sale from Walmart. For some reason, I never get TVs on Black Friday. Like, I hear a lot of people talking about the deals they got, and I don't know, like I don't. Like when I went online to look to see what Walmart had, I think I got sidetracked by something else, and then I went to look at the other websites, and I'm like, let me just go to the mall and see what they have. And then I just never made my way to Walmart. I did end up going to Myers, which is a grocery store, and I got some things there too, but nothing really for Black Friday in particularly, just some things for the house and for my son's birthday that's coming up. So that is that. Let me know what you all think about what I got. Let me know what you got down in the comments. I do want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.